Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the little bell icon, and if you could, most of all, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm back out. I found out last week my waterproof trousers weren't waterproof, so I've had this Gore-Tex jacket for a few years. I swapped Willie for a Lather for this and the camel one I've got. So I treated myself to the trousers, so I'm going to test them today. So I'm back at lockdown, fire pit still here, so I'm going to set up my shelter. I'm going to go for a tarp shelter, so I'll bring you back, guys. So hopefully you can see that in the video. We've got a little rainbow here. Right over to there, look. It's been raining all week. It's been raining since last camp. This is the first dry day we've had. So I had some people commenting saying about my last video had a lot of wind noise, so I've added on I got myself a new wind jammer thing. But that's me, all set up. I've beat Colin, so get your votes in, guys, get your votes in, don't forget to vote for me. But yeah, I was racing to get that up before Colin. But yeah, see when I hammock camped, was Isle of Wight Bushcraft had mentioned that you should use a top zip sleeping bag. And I've just thought, I have a top zip sleeping bag, the Arctic, the British Army Arctic one is a top zip. So I might need to use that the next time. I'd used another sleeping bag that I had. So there's my setup. I've got the mat, that mat that I was given. I'm on top of the tarp. As you can see, I'm using half the tarp for the shelter and half the tarp is the floor. Then I've got one of those reflective mats on the bottom, mostly to protect the tarp, but I'm sure it'll reflect the heat as well. But the whole point I was thinking was I won't get a hole in the tarp. So I've brought the Dutch oven. I was going to do some roast beef, but I decided to do roast pork. So I'm just waiting for Colin, and there's meant to be another guy coming as well, Bugsy. So if they come, I'll show you them, and if they don't, part-timers. So I'm going to get the canoe, go for a little paddle. So I'll bring you back when I've got the canoe in the water, guys. Right, you know that I like to pack on people, right? But Colin's forgot his pegs, right? So how can you forget your pegs, Colin?
Quite easily. Well, I've not quite forgot them.
He has forgot them. Well, where are they? He's forgot his pegs, right? So he's had to borrow.
Beg and borrow.
He's had to borrow Bugsy Malone's pegs. I've got you on Facebook, haven't I, Bugsy?
Can't take me anywhere. Talk to me about Facebook, Stuart.
What's wrong with Facebook?
Bad experience, Stuart. Bad experience.
Right. What happened?
You know.
Tell me.
They say you should never meet your heroes, Stuart, you know.
All right.
I don't know about that, you know, but you certainly shouldn't try and send them a friend request on Facebook.
Oh, did they not add you?
Oh, don't start me. Naming no names.
I'm getting intrigued here.
I'm mentioning no names, you know what I mean?
All right.
There's a certain handsome stranger out there, you know what I mean? Aye.
Oh, Derek the handsome stranger.
Don't.
Did Derek not add you?
It's still a bit raw.
Oh.
Still a bit raw. You know what I mean? Don't be.
Who was the other person?
Oh. Can't tell you, know what I mean? He'll probably know, you know, he's a bit of a prophet himself, you know what I mean? Aye,
Prophes?
Oh.
It's not Mark, is it?
It's Mark.
Oh.
Both of them knocked me back, Stuart. You know what I mean?
I can't believe that. Mark won't be watching this anyway, so don't worry. You can say whatever you want about Mark.
First time, friend request straight in there, you know. Eddie, friend request straight in there. Colin, friend request. I think it took about 3 minutes with you, Colin. You know what I mean? You were the best of the lot. You know what I mean?
Oh, Colin's quick on Facebook.
Aye.
He's.
Day. It was 4:30 in the morning. You know what I mean? I just sent the request 2 minutes later. It was accepted and I had a message from him in Messenger. Only about 100 words.
Oh, right, so I'll bring you back, guys. I think Bugsy Malone's still not happy. Still tender. I won't mention that again. That Martin Derrick didn't add them.
Shocking.
That's the rain on, guys. I just seen Colin pulling something out his bag there. What's that you've got there, Colin?
The pegs that I thought I'd lost.
Is that your pegs that you lost?
Aye.
Oh,
Found again.
my God! And he was going to use some sticks. Let.
Wee bit of improvisation.
Get your voice in, guys. So the rain's on, guys. I'm going to see if I can catch a little fish here. My neighbour told me there's big trout in here. He said that his dad had caught a £5 trout in here. And he also says there's huge big perch. So, rain's on, always raining. I got a comment asking if it always rains in Scotland. Yeah, most of the time. It rains a lot. So I've got the kayak as well, but it's in the car. I don't know, I might bring it out in the morning, we'll see. Colin's not brung his, so... Oh, I thought I'd caught a fish there. No. Thought I had a fish on the line there, but no. Come on, I could do a nice big fish for dinner. So I'll give you a look what I'm using. I'm using I call it a Dexter. I'm using that. But yeah, not caught anything. So if I catch any fish, I'll bring you back, guys. So, got the pork. Bugsy's going to do some, is that lamb?
Lamb chops, yep.
Say hello!
So, I'm going to stick this in the Dutch oven. I think this says it should take like 3 hours. But I'll bring my thermostat thing as well, that I was given. So, we'll bring that back. Oh,
Just get a wee bit of that sizzling sound.
that's went a bit lopsided there. There, that looks good, right? Yep. So, we'll bring that back to you in 3 hours, guys. It'll probably be dark by then, but I've got the super bright torch. Anyway.
Aye, that £270 torch.
It went up in price after they gave it to me, so... Not that I'm saying it was me. But
Not that he said he got it for nothing.
no, I got it for free.
The cooking started.
Do you ever watch Carlisle, Bugsy?
I do sometimes. I've seen a few of them.
John, yeah.
I've seen all of them sometimes. But
I
the
like
ones
John's
I'm
cooking.
subscribed to, I've basically just about 6 or 7 that I'm actually subscribed to that I get like notifications for.
See, when I say that, right,
Talking about that one the last
I get
week,
stopped from a guy in the mall, and he stopped me, and he says, "Oh, I like watching you and Colin, and I like watching that Carlisle." So if you're watching, John, Carlisle does do some nice cooking, doesn't he? But there we go. What we got? Lamb.
Yep.
Lamb from
Lamb
there.
chops.
Right. Just as I'm talking about Carlisle, wait till you see the cakes that Bugsy brung. They're all mine!
Cakes!
Get your votes in, guys! So there we go, guys. We've got some lamb chops. I know somebody's going to comment and say that they're a bit overdone, but we've all voted.
Get your votes in now!
You know, I didn't even think of it like that, but we've all voted, right, to have it like that. Right, and then we'll have a look at the pork. I've brung my, it tells you the temperature. Right, so we'll have a look at the pork. But Colin and Bugsy think I'm going to share this, but just to let you know, right, that just to let you know that it's all mine, all mine. Woo-hoo! Fire, fire. So,
There you go.
oh,
Salt
cheers.
sachet as well.
I don't really take salt. You want that one?
It's just peppery ties.
Do I like my? I didn't bring my pepper.
Something with pepper.
I'm sorry guys, but I've forgot the pepper, right? But this is just a little starter for the now. We've got a little
Appetizer.
a little appetizer. Right, so my screen keeps turning off, right? But so I'm going to dig into that. 2 pork steaks, and then we've got the big. No, sorry, it's lamb steaks, isn't it?
Lamb chops.
Lamb chops.
They've turned into pork that many times.
Oh. But there, we've got we've got Brian.
Going to hold a picture of a lamb up.
Brian as well. Ayrshire Brian's turned up. We've got Colin. We've got Bugsy Malone.
Good evening.
So if you're watching, Derek.
Oh. Hello, Derek.
Oh, sorry, we better not discuss that, shouldn't we not? Right. It's a bit of a touchy subject. So, and Mark as well, Prophecy Prepper. But
I've already been shunned by the handsome stranger. Would you mind no bringing that up as well? Know what I mean, aye.
right, shh. I won't discuss it anymore, right? So I'll go and eat my dinner and my starter, whatever you want to call it. Right, I think that's what you call ready.
Oh, they're most
Are they cremated? Get your votes in
Get
now!
your votes in
Yeah, get your votes in for
a blackened chop.
the burnt lamb or the pork.
Oh, there's no. He's not trying to novel the vote here at all. You know what I mean?
No.
That's chicken.
Burnt lamb.
Burnt lamb. Get your votes in, guys. Get your votes in. Vote for me. Vote for me. Me.
Yeah, just vote for him.
Right, here's the hot coals going in the lid.
Yeah,
All your complainers out there, they like to put their coals in the lid, so we're going to give that a bash this week.
Nah, it's
Give
not
it- gives it
complaining,
all
Colin.
round.
It's just a
Not-
little
not
bit of
complaining.
criticism.
It's a bit of constructive criticism.
That's it, yeah.
log up there and all.
Yeah, but hopefully that'll give it an all-round cook. Just we put the coals on the top.
And just to say, it's Brian that's doing it. Brian's the chef, right? Look,
Famous hand.
look. This is what you don't see in Colin's videos, but Brian's the chef, right? Honestly, get your votes in, guys. Get your. See when Colin cooks really delicious food, and it's not burnt. It's Brian that cooks it.
And the burnt stuff is what you actually cook.
Yeah. Get your votes in, guys.
Get your votes in.
So I pulled the pork out just to test it. Right, I'm going to use my thermometer thing that I was given. So at the moment we've got, see this buddy's screen keeps turning off. We had 55 a minute ago there, the inner temperature. So we're hoping for 70. We've got some parsnips. I've got some boiled potatoes on. I think everybody thinks I'm going to share this, but just to say, it's all mines! All mines! So, we've got it on. My battery ran out, so I have to go and replace my battery there. But look, we've got the new potatoes. New potatoes. We've got some water in there. I've never done it that way, but that's the way Brian the chef taught me to do it. Corn chef said to add in some water. So we've got some parsnips as well. Is that looking good?
Colin's a billionaire, he just does this for fun.
Yeah.
Brings his own personal chef
Yeah.
along.
I know.
Heart to
Yeah.
heart.
So
That's
bring you back,
Colin's
guys.
stuff.
Chuck Norris.
That's the business.
Right, so
Let's see it.
we'll give it a check, guys. Right? What do you reckon? Does that look good?
That looks superb.
See when Bugsy says he was watching the video, he says the Dutch oven looks small. Do you reckon it's a small Dutch oven?
It's a big.
It's a big
That's a
Dutch oven.
cauldron.
Yep.
That's actually what Sarah calls it, the cauldron. She sees the cauldron in the hall and she's like, where do you think you're going? I'm going out camping. But it's 10:10 at night,
Dinner time.
dinner time, guys. So don't forget to get your votes in. It's the roast pork versus the lamb.
Roast pork, new potatoes and parsnips.
Yep.
Oh yes.
Does that look good?
You know what?
And gravy.
seconds.
Got the gravy.
Looking goody, Yorkshire today.
So we've got the Yorkshire puddings in as well. Thanks to Bugsy. But
Full burner.
he's helping me here. Don't forget to get your votes in, guys.
Potatoes and parsnips and
Yeah.
Yorkshire
Oh,
puddings.
fantastic.
It even beats
And
the
the,
chicken.
and the gravy's still to go on.
Oh, the gravy will be next, guys.
Oh, about the gravy.
Ah! Right, so we're going to say grace. Rub-a-dub-dub. Cheers for the grub.
Ceremonial carving. Oh, that's looking good.
Put the water on, cooking the gravy, or heating the water up to the gravy.
I know I should do it, but I'm just going to see that wee bit there.
Oh, aye, go for it. Let's try it.
I think we'll just have a wee taste test right now.
Take that a wee second just to see if that. Oh, I'm mixing it a wee bit. Take the crackling off. Yep.
Oh,
We should start charging people to camp there, shouldn't we, Colin?
Oh, we've said this 3
Look at
times.
that.
Have we?
Right. I've left my money in the motor. It's locked up.
Get your votes in, guys.
Yeah.
Get
Just-
your votes in.
I guarantee whatever the fee is, the carving fee will come to exactly that same amount. I mean, aye.
So there we go, guys, all plated up. I'm glad I invited Bugsy to come. He's carved it up for us. There we go, look. There's Collins. Oh, sorry, is that Collins? Yep, Collins. We've got some gravy as well. Bugsy's got the big plate over here.
No, that's all going on there. I can't. That's no mine.
We've got some Yorkshire puddings. I actually seen Carlisle cooking them once. I've never seen anybody else cooking Yorkshire puddings. So me and Carlisle, sorry, me, Colin, and Bugsy and Carlisle. More of a joint effort, this roast beef, wasn't it?
Roast pork.
Roast pork, sorry. What did I call it, Colin? Roast beef?
Yep.
I was meant to do roast beef. But we'll do that.
That'll be the next time.
Do that the next time. And wait till you see the dessert, guys. Brew time, guys. I've got a hot chocolate. I'm actually using this cup that I got from Ollie. Look. Had this cup for a couple of years, but I've not used it. I can't remember showing it. If I have showed it, I don't remember. So I'm going to have a hot chocolate. I've got the water on. Bugsy's got a new toy. He's got himself an Alp kit. Same one I've got. I've got the wolf. I don't know what that one's called. That's got a different name, that one. But that one's about the same size as the one I've got.
Nearly froze my fingers trying to put the canister in and then bumped them coming it on. But get there.
You want some of this hot water here? No. No. You just want to use your...
I want to use my stuff.
So you can say you've used
Sorry,
it.
you say I've used it.
But the fire's still going, guys. I forgot to say, my hot chocolate's ready. So I'm going to drink that and then I'll probably go to my bed. I'll bring you back in the morning, guys.
Cream cakes at midnight.
It's 12:30, guys. See if you're watching Carlisle. Is it Carlisle 195, John? Look at that dessert.
Coffee's lovely.
So we've got them. Oh, look at that. Oh, I would say that probably beats that pork. Get your votes in, guys. Get your votes in now. So it's about 2 in the morning, guys. We've been sitting around the fire talking away. Good laugh. It's been good camping with
Night, gentlemen.
Good night, John boy.
Night, Mary Ellen.
Good night, Mary Ellen. Yeah, it's been good camping with Bugsy. We've had the Dutch oven out. We had some cakes as well. It's been a good camp. So I'll bring you back in the morning, guys, and I'll might do a bit of fishing. I've got the canoe with me, but I've not bothered to bring it out. I think because Colin didn't bring his canoe, so I just won't bother bringing it out. But I'll bring you back in the morning. Morning guys, the sun's came up just over that little hill there. So I'm going to do some fishing. See if I can catch any fish here. Stick the tripod just here. So it's about 7:30 in the morning. Didn't catch anything last night, so I'm going to give it a shot again in the morning. So I'll give you a look where we are guys. We're on Loch Doon. I don't know if you can see the mountains in the back there. My watch has run out of power, so I can't see on the screen. That's the only thing about this camera. It's not got a built-in screen to see what I'm filming, but there's the loch. And that, sorry about the light with that sun there. There's quite a big loch, this one. It's bigger than the one we camped at last week. But one of them's the Merrick, the highest, not a Munro, one of the highest mountains down the Galloway Forest. But I can hear somebody shouting over here in the forest, so they're either camping or they're in there cutting the trees down. Morning guys, it's breakfast time. Look, no bacon and eggs today. Look at that. How would you rate that cake, Bugsy?
I'd say it's a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Maybe 7.5.
Have you calmed down about Derek yet? Should I not mention that?
You've just put me off the cake.
Is that still a touchy subject?
It hurts, but, you know, I won't lie.
Oh, sorry guys, I better not talk about that.
I mean, maybe Derek can come back to this, you know, if he invites me at camping.
Yeah, you need to invite Bugsy, Derek. He's a good guy.
It would help.
Yeah. So there we go, we're all cleared up guys, that's where I was. Fire pit. We'll leave the wood. I did get a comment, somebody saying that you shouldn't leave a fire pit, but that fire pit has been here since, I don't know, forever. And then Colin and Bugsy, they were camped over there. That's Colin's bag, we'll need to take that away as well. So, there we go. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to check Colin out. I think he's at 750 subs, so
Get me to 1,000!
get your votes in guys! Don't forget to vote for my pork rather than the
Don't let him kid you on!
Rather than the lamb steaks, don't forget, vote for me, vote for me. Thanks, guys. So that's the osprey, guys, that are in Loch Doon. You can actually see where the osprey is. That's actually the roundhouse across from it, right? Can you see it away on the other side there? The building that we're actually in. I walked in and Bugsy says, oh, there's a celebrity. So,
Kirsty Watt's the only other celebrity that's turned up here, and she's nowhere near as big a celebrity as you, Stuart.
so I thought I would show the shop. Don't forget, if you come to Loch Doon, check the roundhouse out. This is you'll drive by it. See when you come to that road, you'll come in there, look. So the man that owns the roundhouse is Brian. And if you're watching Derek, I told him to subscribe to you as well, so that's a subscriber, you owe me, Derek. I'm not like you and say, what was it he says to that guy? Derek says, do you know the Scottish Wanderer? Then the guy says no, and then Derek went, yes. But so I've got you a subscriber, Derek. So there we go, that's the roundhouse. Then we've got a cafe where you can watch the osprey, which are away on the other side. They're away over there. The osprey left last week. But I do like Loch Doon, very amazing. There we go, look. There's the Merrick for Glenn if he's watching.